Hi guys, welcome to the Microsoft Word video lesson series. So in this video tutorial we will be learning about how to create new document and how to save it. So after going to the office.com website and logged in, you will have to click on this Word app. From here you can access all the apps, online apps provided by Microsoft. So I'm just clicking onto this Word app and it will open up new window. From there it will ask you to create what kind of document you want to create. These are some templates provided by Microsoft Word app. For example, new blank document, general notes, APA style paper, MLA style paper, calendar, cover letter or resume. Even if you want to create a resume, then it provides a template. You just need to enter your details, that's it. All the formats is ready. Academic calendar, event flyer and many other templates are provided by default. So select whatever you want to create. There is no boundary. You can do many things into Microsoft Word. But for now, I am just clicking onto this new blank document and it will create new document. So it will take little time to generate new document. Now, if you have seen that in installed version of Microsoft Word, you have to save document. By default, it does not save document to hard drive. But in online version, Microsoft Word creates document and it saves document with default name. You don't need to save document. So this is one benefit. It automatically saves your document when you create it. It is saved into your OneDrive. So let's go and see where my document is saved. But before that, I am just typing something. Hi, this is my first document. See, it is saving. You don't need to press Ctrl+S command. So this is one of the benefit of Microsoft Word Online. Now go to the OneDrive. You will find OneDrive from this menu and click on this OneDrive app. It will open up new window and will open OneDrive app. In OneDrive app, you will find folders which are created by you. In OneDrive, you will find documents folder. Click on that and you will find your default named document. And if you want to open that document, just click on it and it will open in Microsoft Word. So now you can see this is your document created recently. So this is how you can create a new document and it will be saved to your OneDrive automatically. So this is about creating your document and saving your document into the OneDrive. Thank you very much.